Okay, this video is just a bit of a warning to kind of check what you're downloading when you're looking for these kind of new AI apps. So in this instance, we've got Sora that is supposed to be coming out this week for Android. It kind of varies on where you live. I think the US kind of had it before us, but in the UK, it is about to come, but there's quite a few kind of apps on here that are a little bit misleading. So I just wanted to kind of explain it and just make sure you don't get caught up like in subscriptions that are wrong, and just make sure you know what you're doing. So there are ones on here that say Sora, but they're clearly a different thing. So you've got like Sora OneDrive Education, that's not it. Sora Firm is not. But then when we come down, we've got things in here like this one that's just called Sora 2, and then you click on it and then it just looks like it would be the Sora app. But you can see down here it's by Mind Labs Inc. And what you're looking for, so it's already out on iOS. So if we jump into the iOS store, you can see here it's Sora by OpenAI, so the same people that do ChatGPT. And you can kind of see here the interface is a little bit different. Obviously, checking reviews and things like that is helpful. So you can see they're mostly positive, like not too bad. There's a few kind of bad ones in there, but this is the actual app that you want to download. Whereas we come back to here, you've got ones like this. Like I say, it's the wrong developer for a start. The name isn't right, but it looks like it would kind of be correct. And the first red flag always is the reviews. Again, they're actually mostly positive on here, but you can kind of see that a lot of them are just saying it's pushing you to a subscription. And what's happening here is they're basically, people are kind of taking the AI models and they're just wrapping it into new apps. So there's technically nothing, I guess, there's nothing illegal about it. There's nothing wrong with it. But at the same time, you're better off just going straight to source because you'll get the best value for money doing that. So if we just install this quickly, I'll run you through what it is and what it kind of asks you to do, and I'll just overlay quickly on my phone kind of what it does. So you kind of install the app, and then it wants you to do a username, and then it kind of gets you to this create screen, so you can do image to video and text to video. I mean, this app, the UI of it is very poor, so that's generally a giveaway that it's not right. So then it takes you to the prompting screen, and we can just put anything into here just to, make it try and generate something. And then sure enough, when you try to do it, you've got due to high demand, Sora no longer provides a free trial. And notice the word Sora is spelt wrong with 2 R's. So obviously there's a little bit of a legal thing there where they can't say the real Sora doesn't include a free trial. And then the same thing happens when you go on to image to video as well. So it's just all the same kind of the same thing happening. And then you can dig into this a little bit more by looking into the plans. And another red flag there, obviously the plans are really weird. The pricing, it's £80 for the year or £26 a month. It doesn't make a lot of sense. Some of the things that are in there, it says only 20 minutes left at this price, which again is a massive red flag. And obviously that's just going to be like that. You could come back to it 2 hours later and it will still be 20 minutes left at this price. It's not that's not real. You seem to get 900 credits on the 1 year, whereas on monthly it's kind of quite a lot more expensive, and you only get 290 credits, which using apps like this on other ones, 290 credits wouldn't really get you anything. And then when you get down here into the kind of nitty gritty of it, you can kind of see actually the create video with audio is through VO, which is the Google one, which actually isn't Sora at all. You've got, it does have some of the credits here, so you can see a little bit of what that's about. But then you can also see video of audio cling again. And we've got some creative use of the word hours here that's been spelt differently twice. It's in English. One time it's not spelt in English, and then the next time it's a spelling mistake. And if we go into the privacy policy as well, we can kind of scroll down to the bottom, and you can kind of see that the privacy protection for it is bytalk.team@gmail.com, which any real company it's not going to be that. So it's just a thing. I'm not saying don't download this app. It's, I'm just trying to explain that this is not the Sora app. It's obviously been allowed to be released on the App Store, so Google don't see anything wrong with it. But all I'm saying is this isn't like the official app. There are lots of other ones like this. Some of them get taken down. This one might have already been taken down by the time you see this video. But yeah, just do a little bit of research before you start spending money. And like I say, if it's trying to force you to spend money straight away, then the odds are it's probably not the right one. So just be a bit kind of vigilant with it. Feel free to drop kind of stuff in the comments if you've got any ones that you've seen out there. And if this has been helpful, please give the video a like. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe.